What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So today we're at the family house and we'll be checking out and doing a review on a car that some of you guys might love or hate. So let's see. We got my turbo Mitsubishi Lancer, the brother's Supra, my RCF, his truck. But we'll be reviewing this car today. So this is a Tesla Model X, and pretty much what it is the SUV version of the Tesla. You have a Tesla Model Y and the Tesla Model X. This one is the bigger version with 7 seaters. So yes, it's an electric car, so that's why I say some of you guys might love it or hate it. We will be having this car for the day, so you know, might as well make some videos and do a full review of it inside and out. And compared to your traditional cars, instead of a key, you do get a Tesla card. So this is what you can unlock the car with. Let's do a little walk around. So if you have a family and you want to get an electric Tesla car, this is the one to get because, you know, it's a lot bigger. You also have your Tesla Model Y, which is, you know, slightly smaller, but if you need more space, this one's the one to get. It also does come with this little baby wing on the rear, which I love. You know, that little wing makes it look a little bit more aggressive. I wasn't sure if this is active arrow that comes up and down, but it seems like it's just fixed. Pretty nice though. Let's check out the interior. And the doors, you know, flushed in, no doorknobs. So go in, you just tap the card, mirrors open. Oh, just push and it opens for you. So this Tesla Model X does have the steering wheel, not your conventional steering wheel. This is called the yoke steering wheel, and pretty much what it is an upgraded option from Tesla. You pay $200 more to have this steering wheel. Alright, so here's another look at the yoke steering wheel. So it's pretty cool, almost looks like you're playing like a game device, you know. I've never seen this kind of steering wheel in any other production car. So my brother says the weirdest thing about driving it is instead of doing this when you turn, you know, some people like to do this, you can't do that. So yeah, it's kind of weird. You just got to get used to it, but it's cool. You get a cool factor in this. You do get a sunroof up front, usually it's in the middle. This one comes all the way down to pretty much a side mirror, a little bit up there. So this one does come with the white leather option. You can choose in black or white. White looks nice and clean, but you know, you do get dirty easily. So let's see what else. Oh, on the rear, what's really cool as well is you have the Gwing Doors. So check it out. Gwing Doors opens up like some of the supercars. So let's see, I'm not sure if I'm doing this right. I believe you tap it. Pretty cool. So the Gwing Doors open up just like that, kind of like on some of the supercars. Easy to get in and out of. It says right here Model X. So on the rears, well, I should say fronts, 2 seats, 3 seats in the middle, 2 more seats in the back, so 7 seaters. So if you have a family going like a road trip, you know, you fit quite a lot of people here. I do have to say that it's pretty nice. Back here, you have a little screen as well. Not sure how to operate this thing, but I believe this should be some sort of AC control, if I'm not wrong. Again, this is the first time that I'm messing around with this Tesla Model X. I've never really got up close to it. Tesla Model 3 a bunch of times. My brother owns the Tesla Model 3. You know, Tesla Model S, I also, you know, seen and driven before. And then my boss does own Tesla Model Y, so it's the SUV, the smaller version. And Tesla Model S Plaid, the most hardcore sports version. We actually got to ride along in, you know, recently, so there'll be another video on that if you guys want to check that out. That thing is crazy quick, 0 to 60 in 1.9 seconds. You know, with electric cars, like I said, a lot of car enthusiasts like kind of hate it because it's, you know, you don't have the exhaust noise, it's not gears turning, you know, no engine. But it's just crazy how an electric powered car, you know, they can move so quick. There's no torque curve, there's no turbo spool, stuff like that. It just goes, you know. And my brother, you know, has both electric as well as gasoline powered cars, and for daily he does like the electric cars just because you don't have to worry about filling up at a gas station. You just go to charging port, charge it up. You don't, well, you pay, but you don't really pay or spend that much in gas, you know, stuff like that. So definitely have his perks, you know. Seems like over here this is how you operate the Gwing doors. You open and close, open, close, I believe. So let's go ahead and open the other side, Gwing doors. Pretty cool. So this is how it looks. Pretty cool looking with the Gwing doors. We just had the wifey over here, looking cute. What do you think of the Gwing doors? Pretty cool. I mean, it's a cool feature. You know, 7-seater, so you could definitely fit a lot of people back here. But this car, like I said, it's a loaner car for the weekend. Look, a little bit of brown. You know, with white, you know, it tends to get dirty pretty easily, so definitely want to take good care of it. But if you have a lot of kids or pets, you know, I think even though white looks nice, you know, black might be the better option just to keep it nice and clean. So it's pretty cool though. It's definitely a cool car to have if you have a family, if you have the funds for a Tesla Model X. It's definitely a great option if you have a pretty big family and want to go electric. So to close it, there's a little red button there that you just press and it goes. Pretty much it sealed it. So the technology they have in it is pretty cool. So right here, same thing. You press, goes in, and it pretty much uses suction to close it tight. Yeah, so it goes down, sucks it in. Pretty cool tech. And the doors, pretty much just push it and it opens. It bounces off and opens for you. But yeah, over here on the screen itself, it shows the vehicle, Tesla Model X. Shows the car's off. Your little window visors. These are interesting shaped. I guess they try to make it minimalistic, so it kind of folds in half and then it folds up again. Your screen, your navigation. So everything, you know, that they use is pretty much an in-house system. So it's pretty cool. You know, instead of Apple CarPlay, they just have the in-house system with your, you log into your Spotify, you know, stuff like that on this screen. Everything inbuilt from Tesla, so no need for Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. If you do need to charge your phone, over here you have the T wireless charging. You just rest your phone on top. Yeah, pretty cool. So wifey just opened the door, the Gwing doors. It's pretty interesting, pretty cool. Let's get a Alright, so one thing I noticed about the window visors that's pretty cool. So again, to open it up, you fold it down again, fold it down one more time. So you look at yourself and fold it back, fold it back, fold it back. What's cool though is this is held on by a magnet right here. So you can pull it open and you can actually swing it all the way back here. So if there's sun, you know, I wonder if this visor actually goes down, but yeah, you can pretty much have it up here, I think flushed against the side of the A-pillar, and you can have this whole roof so there's no obstruction. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I just noticed that. So you swing it all the way on this side as well. That's pretty interesting because usually over here on most cars you do have like an, you know, your I guess part of the A-pillar up here with your window visor and all that stuff. So from the windshield, it pretty much goes all the way up for the driver. Pretty interesting. This is a view that, you know, not really used to. Just all glass. And just this little strip right here in the middle for some of the electronics, the camera, stuff like that, to feed a wire. Your rear view mirror, so very minimalistic. Pretty interesting. And just checking out the trunk space. Trunk space is, you know, oh, there's extra boot space on the bottom. These seats fold down if you don't have 7 passengers. Pretty cool. So yeah, this is pretty much your big family car, big grocery getter from Tesla. If you want a Tesla that, you know, does that, the Tesla Model X is the one to get. So you can close the door as well. So if you have kids in the back, oh, even the front door. So just from a push of a button, you can pretty much close the doors as well. Pretty cool.
In 500 feet, turn right onto US Highway 290.
Alright, my brother's explaining there's like air ride suspension where you can adjust higher or lower. You can pretty much put it at like a comfort setting or put it a little bit lower. It sounds like there's some sort of like air cups, airbag suspension where it uses compressed air and pretty much pushes it up. So I believe, I haven't had a chance to look at suspension, but instead of your traditional springs coilover setup, my guess is that either have a coilover and an air cup on top, which you can have for adjustment from maybe 1 or 2 inches higher, or it might be a full like rubber airbag where instead of a spring it just compresses and decompresses. So yeah, pretty cool. And we came over here to Ike's. If you guys haven't had Ike's before, they are from San Francisco. They're so good. They have it here in Austin as well, and from what they're telling us, there's over 1,000 different sandwiches. So just looking at this menu over here is pretty extensive, a lot of options. And I typically don't care much about sandwich spots, but this is my favorite sandwich spot in town. Yeah, just waiting for the sandwich, pretty excited. Alright, so we just got our food from Ike's, and pretty cool. I really like the mission statement here on the bag. Really cool. So yeah, we're gonna dig in. For sure we can. Alright, so check this out. The sandwiches, what makes it is the dirty sauce. Yeah, so would recommend getting extra dirty sauce on the side. So good. Really like their mission statement here from Ike's. So yeah, I would highly recommend if you guys are here in Austin or in California where there's a Ike's location. Great sandwiches. Alright, Gwing Doors. Alright, just got to the final destination. And pretty much got it from Tesla. All these are Tesla demo cars. My brother dropped off his Tesla Model 3. Press that red button right here and closes it. Gwing is definitely a cool feature. You do have quite a few different cars here that you could pretty much do a test drive. Typically they don't let you do overnights, but with my brother already being a Tesla customer and owner, you know, they see that he might be a serious buyer, so yeah. Gwing Doors does look pretty cool. So yeah, here's the domain, the lineup of Tesla cars all right here. Not really a conventional dealership. And then cars are here in the parking lot, and then you will just go to the showroom. And here is the Tesla showroom. So it's pretty much right beside other stores. So clothing stores and everything right beside it, and then your Tesla showroom. And all the cars are parked in the garage. And here in the Tesla dealership. So pretty much have some of the cars on display here. And that was the Tesla Model X that we had test drove earlier with the Gwing Doors, the white leather seats, and the yoke steering wheel. So pretty much the same configuration. And here is pretty much showing the car all disassembled. the wheels, the tires, the door, the bumper, pretty cool. The battery pack. Alright, so we just made it back home after the test drive of the Tesla Model X. We also went to check out the dealership. So what do you guys think? Are you guys a fan of the electric cars, of Teslas, or not? Leave in the comment section below. Again, if you guys are new to the channel, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you guys in the next one.